Alright, so Petey and I are here at the beach. This awesome huge beach. Now, Petey, he's 14 years old, so if you want to see instant puppy, just add beach. Here goes. Run free. What you do? What you do? Yeah, there's just something so relaxing and peaceful about the ocean and the beach. I love it out here. It's really nice. So, behind me is actually looking south, and this way, this is actually looking west, because the way the beach jets out. Yeah, so it's a little, you think that's west, but actually this is west. What's cool is there's all these little tiny miniature sand dollars on the beach. There's these tiny little shells. They're really cute. Petey and I are camped right there, and yeah, it's like really cold now. Petey's like shivering. It was really warm earlier, and there wasn't hardly any wind, and now it's a little more windy and very, very cold. Well, for us anyway. But it's beautiful. Beautiful sunset right there. We're right on the bay. We're like right on the edge of the bay, so we kind of got lucky. But yeah, I don't know, just wanted to say good night. We both ate. We ate really well, so all right. Good night. This is Bodega Bay at low tide, where you can see we're way out here. So behind me, way back there, is our campground, and we're way out here, and it's sand, so you can walk pretty far out without sinking down in. And lots of people are here clamming, and some people are luckier than others. Some people are very, very serious about their clamming, and some people are just kind of poking here and there. So, but beautiful, beautiful day. Yeah, this is beautiful Bodega Bay. There's just enough of a sandy beach here during low tide for Mr. Petey to play puppy for a few minutes. Does this place look familiar? It should. This is the Potter School, and it was featured in Alfred Hitchcock's movie, The Birds. And this is where all the kids hunkered down while the birds were attacking people. It's actually a really beautiful place. It was first made a school in 1873, but by the time The Birds was filmed in 1962, the building had been condemned and sold at a private, to private people in 1962. So it's now a private residence. It's actually someone's home. So I heard that like once a year they do give tours and stuff, but yeah, so now can't quite go in or anything, so have to respect these people's house. It's really beautiful. They've done a great job restoring it. It's a beautiful home. And right behind the school here is the church. I believe this church was in the movie too. And unfortunately, it's been so many years since I saw that movie. I absolutely love it. It is truly a classic. But yeah, I probably haven't seen it for at least 20 years, but now I really want to go see it. They should have like copies of The Birds for like, $3 you could just buy on the street or something. So we can all get our fix. This is the phone booth that they hung out and hid from the birds, and it's all scratched up from the birds. Nowadays there's bees living up there. I'm being very careful because I don't want to get stung by some, they're not the nice bees, they're the bad bees. So, but this is the telephone booth right here, and I escaped without getting stung or eaten by a bird. This is the Bodega Country Store, and there's lots of pictures and memorabilia inside. It's pretty cool. But yeah, this is the bird. So, Petey and I are at Bodega Head. It's incredibly beautiful today. Amazing. The actual Bodega Bay is right behind Petey and I. And yeah, there's a foghorn going off. It's not real foggy here, but it's incredibly beautiful. It's really wonderful. You can see the campground out on the sandy spit that comes out. And yeah, how cool is this, huh? Right behind me is Hole in the Head. Do you get it? This is Bodega Head, and there's a hole. Yeah. So, that hole isn't natural, actually. It was dug by PG&E. So, they actually, back in the 60s, wanted to build the world's largest nuclear reactor right here. And that hole, that would have been the nuclear reactor. But a lot of people complained, and we're actually right next to the San Andreas Fault. So luckily the citizens prevailed and no nuclear reactor was built here. I think it would have been a really bad idea with San Andreas Fault right here, and the ocean and all the fishing but yeah, that's the story of Hole in the Head. Could have been a huge nuclear reactor right here.